Hello, Denzians of the Warp, and welcome to another episode of Rebel Rogue. Rebel Rogue. Hello, today we will be unboxing the Games Workshop Chaos Lord in Terminator Armour for Warhammer 40,000. Let us begin. As we can see, there is a very good set of instructions that come with this, highly detailed, allowing you to build either a Terminator Lord or a Terminator Sorcerer, and two very nice models. It also includes the stats for the models in a variety of languages. There we see me leaving the base inside the box. It's a nice 40mm base. Comes with a sprue of weapons, arms and a big rock to put on the base, and a cloak. Some very nice heads as well. Very nice heads. Nice cloak. Can't get the camera to focus on the heads. I'll just take a picture instead and cut it in. We then see there are multiple options again for heads, shoulder pads, weapons, parts of body, and even options for lightning claws, tabard. So yes, that's what you get in the box of a Chaos Lord in Terminator Armour, or Chaos Sorcerer in Terminator Armour. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and tell all your friends. Really helps the channel.